Here's how to download YouTube videos on your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Search or browse for the video you want to download. Once you find the video, tap on it to open it. With the video open, tap on the three-dot icon above the comments section. This will open a menu down below. Here, tap on Download. Now you'll get the video resolution choice. Normally, you can download low or medium quality video, and higher resolutions are available only with a YouTube Premium subscription. If you're okay with it, then select the download option, and the video will begin downloading immediately. Once the download is complete, close the current video. Next, tap on the U tab in the bottom right corner. Here, look for the download section and tap on it. Here, you'll see all of the videos you've downloaded. Simply open any downloaded video to start watching it offline. And that's it.